Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I would like to share about life cycle assessment of glass bottle. The topic that will be covered in this video are: what is glass bottle, why choose glass bottle, benefit using glass bottle, life cycle of glass bottle, and last but not least, impact of glass bottle. Now, let's start with what is glass bottle. Glass bottle is bottle that made from glass. There are many sizes, but are most commonly found in size between 200 milliliters and 1.5 liter. At the United States now produce more than 40 billion glass bottle. Glass can perfectly preserve food without affecting taste, and glass can be recycled over and over again without harming its quality. Following the definition of glass bottle, let's find out why we choose glass bottle. The first one are glass bottle came from natural. No other materials or chemical layers are required to complete the process. The next one is glass bottle can be reused. The reuse of glass bottle decrease the cumulative cost and also raising the sustainable value of glass. Next, glass bottle is ideal for consumer health. There is no chance that harmful chemical will get into food or drinking packaging in glass. No additional barriers are needed. The glass bottle is 100% pure glass, while the last one is glass bottle is 100% recyclable and infinity without any loss of consistency. Glass recycle is closed loop method that does not produce any extra waste or buying product. Now, considering what we have know about glass bottle, is safe to say that glass bottle is a good approach in protecting the environment. It has many benefits, and some of them are environmental friendly. Second benefit are hold a steady temperature. Hot or cool glass bottle keep liquid at a constant temperature more efficiently than plastic bottle. Glass may be used with liquid other than water without consuming flavor, smell, or color. Next, free from contaminated. Almost all of us had the uncomfortable of taking a drink from a plastic or metal bottle. However, the presence of toxic chemicals such as BPA can be hazardous to human consumption. Glass container will not release chemical. They absorb the residual smell or taste of other drink. While the last one are easy to clean. Glass bottles are easy to keep clean and will not lose the clarity by being washed. Next, we move forward to the life cycle of bottle. Life cycle of bottle involving in 5 stages. Here are the details. The first stage for glass bottle is raw material extraction. Main raw material used made from the glass. There are also used silica, soda ash, limestone, and other barrels. They mix into a particular mixture depending on the design properties of the container. Second stage are manufacturing. Process, press, and blow is the common method used in the manufacture of glass. It uses an individual section which is IS machine, and it also divided into different parts to generate multiple containers of the same size. Third stage are distribution and transportation. The distribution of glass bottle came from industrial factories to consumer, and for the transportation, it usually involves road transport. For the fourth stage are used for the glass bottle. In this stage, All consumers are use the glass bottle. This glass bottle can be used anytime and anywhere, and it also can be pour hot or cold water on it. And the last stage are end of life, which is reuse and recycle. In this stage, glass bottle can be washed and reused it again, and it also can be recycled at a glass bank. Next, we go to the impact of glass bottle. There are 4 impacts of glass bottle. The first impact are combustion of natural gas. The combustion of natural gas and the decomposition of raw materials during the melting lead to the emission of carbon dioxide. This is the only greenhouse gas during the production of glass. Second impact are sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide from fuel or sulfur decomposition in batch materials can lead to acidification. Third impact are nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen oxide due to high melting temperature. The decomposition of nitrogen compound in the batch material often contribute to the acidifications and formation of smoke. The last impact are evaporation. Evaporation from molten glass and raw materials can cause the release of particles into the atmosphere. Next, we go for the conclusion. Glass bottle packaging is not a modern thing. It follows the pace of industrial trend. Has the graphic design technology become more advanced and the packaging size become more versatile. Glass has an almost zero rate of chemical interaction, ensuring that the product inside a glass bottle keep their strength, aroma and also flavor. When consumers choose food and drinks that are packaged in glass, they avoid potential risks while enjoying a number of benefits. Here are some references that I searched for the glass bottle. That's all for me. Thank you for watching.